Imagine simply seeing progress just by using a pen. You probably already have one, so you're halfway there. The first thing you can do is this idea called homework for life. It's in this book I read called Storyworthy, where it encourages you to get out there and get story-worthy stories to talk about in your life. So moments of change, challenge, triumph, all of those things. So try to get those cool epic stories that you can talk about, that you can pass down to your grandchildren and stuff like that. Moments where it shifted your reality. Write down those stories. And an actionable step, so you can start doing this right now, is write down the story of you realizing that this story thing exists and how your mindset can change and shift because of this. If you're not sure who I am, I'm Timothy. I'm 18 years old. I have been making these videos, just sharing my thoughts and experiences for 3 years now. And I have a free community with over 6,000 people, and also the project I'm working on called the Screen Time Challenge, where I help people lower their screen time by replacing it with interesting, better things to do in life. Both of those communities are in the description. Check them out. The second thing you can use with a pen is habit trackers, where you have a set habits that you want to do, like maybe having better posture. Do this 3 times a day, just fully expand your back. Stuff like that. And then just make a check or a tally every time you do it, and then see how many times you do it in a month. Stuff like that. The third thing you can do is write monthly goals. So a cool way you can tie these together are having those monthly goals that you write down with a pen, and then having habits that you can do towards getting to those goals that you can track. So it's amazing, basically. You're inevitably able to achieve success. The fourth thing you can do is write to-do lists, so daily things that you want to do to make the day great. The fifth thing you can do is write down your thoughts. Sixth thing, write down lessons you learned from events, sort of like story-worthy, homework for life moments. The reason why it's called homework for life is you can do this for the rest of your life. If this is something you want me to talk more in depth about, let me know in the comments, or let me know anything you would like me to talk about, and I try to make a video about it. Number 7, you can write notes for specific things, like where's the best place to live? If you want to travel somewhere, which is the best place? Like, I want to travel somewhere this year, and do I want to go to Japan, United Kingdom, whatever it is? I can list out the pros and cons of each. Writing those stuff so you can see it right in front of you, and it's better than just a bunch of random thoughts in your head. The 8th thing you can do with a pen is write down letters. Write letters or notes, little notes that you can put. So example, I write Happy Friday to my mom. I put it in her little lunchbox when she goes to work, and then she gets a surprise when she opens it. Or writing a letter to a friend, because that's cool. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Number 9, this is a cool one. Write down everything that's stressing you or making you upset, and then kind of work backwards, where this is making me upset because of this. Is it this thing, that thing? And then you realize it's not that serious, and there's other ways to go about it. The 10th thing, write down stuff you're grateful for. There's so much in life to be grateful for, and the things we have and the things we don't have, which are things to be grateful for. So I hope you can think about this. Let me know what your favorite thing to do with a pen is, and yeah, let me know any ideas, things you want me to talk about. Check out the Screen Time Challenge, a great way to connect with people, make change today if you join it today, and see genuine progress, replacing the time you spend on your phone with more meaningful things. Check it out. It takes less than a minute to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you later.